Okay, let's say we are given this line and labeled as line A. This line A is parallel to another line. Let's say this is line B. These two parallel lines is being cut by a transversal. This line, let's say this is line C. This is what we call our transversal. So, out of this illustration, we have a lot of figure angles formed. We have this angle, another angle, this angle, and so on and so forth. Then, let's see, let's have this example. The dog is being placed in this angle. Another dog is being placed in that angle. So this is an example of alternate interior angles. They are alternate with each other and found in the interior with respect to parallel lines. Next example. Okay, the same, we are given two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So let's have this animal, a cat. The cat is being placed in this angle. Another cat is being placed in this angle. So this is what we call, or this is an example of alternate interior angles. Next. Okay. So we have a dog. One pair of alternate interior angles. To sum up, we have one. Another pair of alternate interior angle in our figure is this cat. So these are the example of alternate interior angles. Let's proceed to the other relationship. Okay, next. We are given a rabbit. A rabbit is being placed in this angle. Supposing we are given, yes, this is an example of alternate exterior angles. So as you can see, this is our rabbit. They are alternate with each other and they are found outside of our parallel lines. Another example of alternate exterior angles. Okay, we have the zebra. Okay, with respect to transversal, they are alternate with each other and they are found outside our parallel lines. So, this is one example of alternate exterior angles. So, to sum up, we have two pairs of alternate exterior angles. One pair, the zebra. Another pair, we have the rabbit. Okay, next, let's proceed to corresponding angles. When we say corresponding angles, this is an example. We are given a bird. This angle corresponds to this angle. So as you can see, where the birds are being placed. Another example of corresponding angles, we have this angle. The dog is being placed in this angle. Another one here. So, they are corresponding angles. Next example. We have the zebra. The zebra is being placed in this angle and here. They are corresponding angles. Next, we have the rabbit. The rabbit is being placed in this angle. You need to say this angle is correspond to this angle. So to sum up, we have four pairs of corresponding angles. So we have first pair, the angle where the rabbit is. Next, we have this pair, second pair. Next, we have this pair of angles. And last one, we have this pair of corresponding angles. So that's all.